Hello everyone. It's so wonderful to have you back. I hope you're all having a productive day and feeling ready to tackle our next Python challenge. Today, we're diving into string concatenation. This is how we take individual pieces of text and join them together to form complete sentences. Think of it like building with Lego blocks. You have different parts, and concatenation is the glue that holds them together. Let's see it in PyCharm. In our first example, we have star1, which says, my name is, and str2, which is John. By using the plus sign, we create a single concatenated text string. Notice how the space was already part of our first variable. But what if your variables don't have that space already? To make our output readable, we need to add a space manually. In Python, we treat a space literal just like any other string, by putting it in quotes. Look at text1 and text2. Here we use double glue. We concatenate text1, then a space literal in quotes, and then text2. This gives us hello world perfectly formatted. Remember, the plus operator is specifically for joining strings. Always ensure your code is clean and readable to help other developers understand your logic. Now it's your turn to shine. Open PyCharm on your computer. I want you to create two variables, one for your first name and one for your family name. Concatenate them together so that your full name is printed with a space in the middle. I'll wait 10 seconds. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Time is up. And here is the authentic solution. By joining the variables name and family name with a literal space, you get a perfectly formatted result. Great job. You've mastered string concatenation. This is a skill you'll use in every project. Consistency is key, so keep practicing at home. Our next lesson is Python, format strings. It's going to be very exciting. Join our community, subscribe, and leave your feedback below. Keep coding, keep learning, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.